testify more than my mind can comprehend. See, I've seen the wonders of your grace. I'm so sure that this is not the end. Eze Ebube, see how far you brought me. Eze Ebube, I'm so glad you found me worthy. I can see, I can tell, and I know with your grace all my days I will sing your praise. Eze Ebube, see how far you brought me. Eze Ebube, I'm so glad you found me worthy. I can see, I can tell, and I know it's your grace all my days I will sing your praise. I'm sure from that intro you already know what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to be showing you how to play Eze Ebube by Neon Adejo. So if it's the first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's dive into it. Welcome back. First, to get the key of the song. So this song is on the key of E flat, or you call it D sharp. So let's do it together. Okay, so that is the key of the song. So the intro of the song begins with an octave. So you need to have learned how to play in octave. Octave means, let's say for example, E flat to E flat is an octave, then B flat to B flat is an octave. So we are playing it together. So that's what the intro is all about. But if you feel like you have a smaller hand, you can just play one of the notes. But this is the intro of the song. So you have the note starts on the 5th of E flat, which is, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the 5th, on B flat, 1, then next, then the next, then you have to put a third. You see that? Yes. Then this, and that is what is here. Then I just add this. If you feel like you cannot do that, you can just add only this to just add your C minor 7s. But I just like to do this because I can hear that from the string in the background of this note B flat down there, or the so chord. Now you've been wondering why I did, like, I'm literally playing the melody of the right hand also on the left hand. So what I do is that if you are playing alone, you can split. I don't know if your piano will have it. We have that. You can split the left hand to be playing the string. So it will give you something similar according to the record. So you see that? It's still the same. And I did this. You see that? Then this. Then. Did you see that now? So that's what I did there. Then here we have a chromatics running from B flat to B flat. So before we now start the intro fully. So everything is this. Then you come here to the full intro now. Octave. You see that? That's an octave. Then did you see that? Then this go to C. Did you see that? Then I'm going back to E flat. Ta, 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 ta. Then when I get to the E, I'll play C on my left. Then when I play this, I'll play F. Then the next one is this. Did you see that? So that's just a B flat suspended fourth is here. That's just what you're doing. So you can just, so that's the So that's all about the intro. So the intro again, I'll play slowly. Then I'll come down. The chromatic. Then full intro. Watch my left hand. You see that? Then now. Then watch again. You see, that's how you do it. Then the song starts. So that's how the song begins. Now, before you proceed, what are the chord progressions? This song is very, very much simple. Is that at the starting of the song, you only have just your chord 1, which is just the E major chord. So we're just playing around the melody as a pianist. So the chord at the first phrase is just chord 1. So look at it. More than my mouth can testify. And if you notice in that tape, you just hear just this note all through from the instrumental part. So more than, you see that? Then my mind can comprehend. Did you see that? See, I've seen the wonders of your grace. See, still 1. I'm so sure that. Then you now have this. This is not the end. That's just all. So you see, throughout that first part, more than my mouth can testify, more than my mind can comprehend, all are in just chord 1, which is the E flat major chord. Then here, this is what happened here. You might not do this voicing, I just like it. You can see my left hand is really stretching, but this is what the melody is. I'm making it very simple for you at least, so you still sound good as the audio. That is it. So we just have what you have there is just the 7 360 La. So look at it now. You do that there. Then I'll go to 6. You might decide to do yours as this, or you can just do this. It can still work, but I just like this voicing for it. So so the chord progression begins as da, 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 the 6 3 4, then 1. That's the chord progression. 6 3 is your chord 3, your G, B flat, and D, or in suffer notation, Mi, So, Ti. You see, I just added this for my own sake to have the major 7th. But if you don't want major 7th, you can just do this. I just make mine to be major 7th. It's good you have major 7th. I'll do it again. 3, then 4, A flat. You can also make this a major 7 if you want, but I don't think it's necessary here. Then back to 1. So that's all about the chord. So Eze Ebube, see how far you brought me. I like to do this. Eze Ebube, I'm so glad you found me worthy. That's just all. Then this part again. I can see, I can tell, and I know it's your grace. Then my days I will sing your praise. So there, what are we working on? We're moving from 1, I can see, I can tell, and I know it's your grace. Then you do your 2, all my days, then I will sing your praise. If you don't want to do, let's say there's a guitar, you can allow the guitar to do that. But the chord progression there is I can see, Then 2, I can tell, and I know. That's 3. 4, it's your 2. Then 5, I like to do this suspended 4th. Then I will relax it to sing your praise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5. Then to 5 in full. The first 5 is suspended 4th. Because of this, then I relax it, bring it down to the real 5. Then, so that's the chord progression. Then the second time, when they are going to the second Eze Ebube, then you now have this passing note, which is okay. So what is that? Remember, on the key of E flat, okay, that passing note is just you, instead of you playing B flat, you play B. So it's just like ta, 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 ti, ta. You get that now? I'll play it again. Ta, 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 ti, ta. So what is that? B flat, C, A flat, G, D, E flat. So that's it. Then this, or look at this. That's just one on your left hand. So those are the 3 ways you can land, and other ways you can also create yourself when you're practicing. But that's just the passing. Then the chord progression begins. So listen, I will sing along so that we can hear that part together. I'll sing along. So now the pianist, what the pianist played there was actually da da da, but since I'm also playing the chords, I have to quickly detach myself from the second one. If you listen to the audio, so I have to quickly not play that one, otherwise I won't have a chance to play this chord 3. So let's do it again. 7th. See how far you brought me. Go back to the chord progression. Eze Ebube, I'm so glad you found me worthy. Now listen to this part. Then look at it. I can see, I can tell that, and I know. Then look at this. It's your grace. Yeah. Then you're doing all my days. Then 5. I will sing your praise. So what happened there is that we have the same chord as I can see 1, I can tell 2, and I know 3. Then now instead of going to 4, they did something. They make the 3. You diminish the 3. That's the 7th of your E. You diminish it. So you can have that, or you can even play that with your left hand. Then go to 4. Then 2, 5. Then that's all there. So you can decide to do 1, 2, 3, flatten 3, then 4, 2, 5, and 1. So I can see, I can tell, and I know. See that? Please, I will sing your like that, but you might not do it, so I'll play it in chord now. So I can see, I can tell, All my days. You see that? I will sing your praise. So you can do that if you have this the pianist playing the full chord or the background pianist. So I'll play it again. I can see, I can tell, and I know it's your name. You can do seventh. I will sing your praise. Or I can see, I can tell. If you're the top pianist, scattering notes, no. I see, I can tell, and I know. Look at this. Then my days I will sing your praise. So what is that? The same again. That B suspended fourth again. Alright, so this is everything. And that also repeats again in the verse 2 of the song. So that is all about the chord progression of Eze Ebube. So comment below if you have other songs that you want me to break down and explain the chord progression to you. So see you in my next